In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitLab. It's a straightforward process that will greatly enhance your workflow and productivity by bringing your project management and development environments together. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open your Notion app or navigate to it via your web browser. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your Notion page where you'll see a settings icon. It looks like a gear, which is typical for settings menus across many apps and websites, making it easy to spot. Click on it to bring up your account settings. With the settings panel now open, you should look for the connections or integrations section. It might have different names depending on updates or versions, but generally it will be labeled as connections, integrations, or something similar. Clicking on this will bring you a list of all the apps and services that Notion can connect with to boost its functionality. In this menu, you'll want to search for GitHub. Although this guide is specifically for integrating with GitLab, you'll still need to select GitHub due to the way these integrations are managed under the hood with Notion. So don't worry, this part is correct as many Git-based services, including GitLab, use similar protocols to facilitate integration. Once you've located GitHub in the list, either by scrolling or using the search feature within this connections menu, click on it. You may be prompted with a variety of options or permission screens to allow Notion to connect and interact with GitLab through GitHub's integration path. Make sure to authorize the connection when prompted, and just like that, you've connected Notion with your GitLab account through GitHub. It might seem a bit unusual to select GitHub when you're aiming to integrate with GitLab, yet this is pretty common with productivity tools due to shared APIs or similar protocols. This integration will now enable you to seamlessly manage and track your project budget updates and tasks across these platforms without frequent switching. Remember, if you encounter any hiccups during the process, such as difficulty finding the correct menu or issues with authorization, the best course of action is to check Notion's and GitLab's help or support documentation. Support forums and communities can also be a treasure trove of solutions and tips from those who've faced similar hiccups. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you to streamline your project management efforts. Integrating platforms like Notion and GitLab can save you countless hours and reduce headache by centralizing your tasks and development notes. Stay tuned for more how-to guides and tech tips, and have a productive day.